From a very young age, my dad and my mom always decorated for Christmas and Halloween. And so I'm a big, huge decorator. And my girls love it. When I decorate the house, I make it real spooky. So I've done a few little things, and I'll show you what I'm going. And then I'm headed to the building to find the rest of the decorations. I like to surprise them. Gonna be another hot one today. 92 degrees. It's kind of good right now. I only have to do the feed. So I've got my scraps for my chickens. They're gonna be happy because I love them some chicken. Not too hot in here. I figured it would be hot, but it's not. All right, let me get the feed. It's just easier for me. I always do lighter bucket for the chickens. So I fill up my goat stuff. I do always do 2. That's oats. And last are alfalfa pellets. And then I mix it together. Same thing with my chickens, except I see you guys out there. I just do 1 scoop of layer pellets, oats. We can't forget mealworms. That's most important because they love them some mealworms. It's about 89 right now. It's supposed to be 92. It's that last part of the day that's so hot. So this weekend we're gonna clean up and we are going to put the goats in there right, like the girls in one, the boys in the other, because the girls are about to have babies and what? And they just keep hopping the fence. It's driving me crazy, so we're gonna fix it. All right, come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Come on, yeah, they want to eat their food. Come on, duck. Come on, duck. Give them the scraps. Almagene. You all are supposed to be over there. You ruin my videos all the time. Do you understand that? Oh, the mamas down here, they've got them an egg that I just cracked open. Harold! Harold, you know that you have to walk all the way up here. She's so fussy. Peanut. You can hear her over there. She is fussing at somebody. Who is fussing? Y'all have destroyed everything. I'm gonna put your all's butts over here where these chickens can live in peace. Yeah, Peanut, she cracks me up. She don't put up with nobody. Watch her, you see? That is her baby's food. She's so funny. Look at Chanel eating chicken. Really? You don't even like chicken. Get out of it, Almagene. Why are you being so mean? Your babies are over there. Why, Peanut? There is plenty of food for everybody. Those water bottles down there, brand new. I mean, they're not broke, but I filled them up the first day because my issue is I don't have water up here. We just haven't had a chance to get the water guy. There's a water guy who was supposed to come and he didn't come, and so it's just been, ugh. There is nothing in my bucket. very angry at my goats. She's like, I'm Alma Jean, you love me regardless. I love how the moms talk to their babies. It's like she's giving them instructions. It's just amazing. And I can tell by the hair on the back of your head that you've had one hell of a night. Have you aggravated the crap out of these women all day? I know you have. I know. I knew your little butt was going to just be flared up all the time. Harold, where you at, Harold? Oh, there's Harold. There is Harold. He finally made it in. Daggone it, Harold. I love my Harold. Hi, Harold. Hi, Harold. He likes to stay right down by my feet.
I was looking for a change of scene. You were looking at a magazine.
She wants a Lunchable as well. There's more Lunchables in there. You done made her mad now. She's been so good with her. Marley. Griffin. Now, where's our manners? We get our names called. Marley. Max. Griffin. Y'all are so funny. I love y'all so much.
They drown the downtown lights and the star.
Man, good thing I came back up here for water. Good thing. Was you just trying to shake it up or what, buddy? Goodness gracious. Let's see what's wrong with this water. You okay? Yeah, you tore up now? Let's get some fresh water. Why are you two fighting? Stop. Stop it. That's all for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you'll get our updates. Hope everybody has a great night. God bless you all.